Hi folks, I hope you are all keeping well. Yes, and the title of the video is pretty much accurate. So while we were on holiday, we had a guy out, serviced our boiler, everything was fine, and the heating stopped working. Then he came back again, did something else with the heating system. And then when we were away, we had a massive oil leak, and our garage had been told is pretty much ruined. Now we have had the insurance company out, and they're adamant that the concrete slab in the garage has to go. Possibly the driveway as well has to be redone, which means we're probably going to be out of action for a wee bit with the show. So I'm hoping everybody can keep supporting, tell their friends and family to subscribe. But we're going to open up our together here, and this is my first time going in, so I'm probably going to be a bit angry. But the plan today is to get all the tools that are not connected to the ground out, so when the insurance company officially comes in to look at everything, they can see what's needing done. So let's do it. So, yeah, go ahead. So, let's see. It's a mess. You can see where they've drilled here and where they've got the powder with the oil. Yeah. So yeah guys, as you can see, my lovely table has soaked up the oil all the way up its legs. The whole butt base of it's all down. This here's like a mix of soap powder and everything else to try and absorb what oil we can. The jukebox, it's completely destroyed. You can feel all that oil down in underneath it. It's all ruined there, so it is as well, which kept us a bit relaxing. I think we'll be okay with the lathe, we'll be okay with the table saw because it's all metal. So, but yeah, not good. I think this is the first time ever where I've just had to do a reverse camera recording. So yeah guys, unfortunately, yeah, it's pretty bad, as you can see from all the destruction that the oil's caused round and in. I have noticed that where the slab has like the wee line in the edge around the garage, it's where that's allowed that oil to seep in. And then of course, wood being very good for absorbing oil, it has just kind of soaked into anything that's not got wheels on it, so anything is planted to the ground. I also got away lucky, I suppose. Some of my machines are solid metal, so obviously it's just a wee wipe and that'll clean it up, so it will. So guys, I really hope you support me by not leaving the channel while a lot of videos won't be coming out. And I'll probably put a couple of videos out as we're dismantling the foundations and that for the insurance. But other than that, take care.